big surprise from our other auntie. She sent us new coats for Christmas. Me and Amani had the same coat. We were gonna look like twins. We went with Mommy to that place that only makes salads, even though they still don't have French fries there. I said, Mommy, do they have French fries yet? And Mommy said, no, not yet. But we go there all the time just to see if they have French fries. It's still pretty good though. Mommy said, button up girls, we are going for a walk. She made it a game. She said we will see who can walk the fastest, but we gotta stay together. Amani was